Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually use Google Meet. Yes, use Google Meet to start maybe a random meeting with maybe a couple of friends or with a coworker or with student and all of that. So I'm going to go through this step by step with you. Right. So the first thing you want to do is open my internet browser right here. So if you don't have it installed, you can open my browser. You're going to come right here. Right here now, look at that. You're going to click on it. When you click on it, right, to this way, this little window here, system apps from Google. So this itself is Meet. You want to click right there on Meet, right? So when you click right here on Meet, right, and if you notice, right up here, it's sure that I can new meeting, sure that I can enter meeting code right here. But if you notice up here, so sure that I actually sign in, sure the settings, sure the time and date. Alright, so what I want to do is to press right here, say new meeting. When you click on new meeting, you know what it says? Create a meeting for later. So literally you can actually create a meeting for later. So start an instant meeting. You can also schedule also this in Google Calendar, right? So what I wanted to do is to start an instant meeting. So we're going to click on that. You notice right here, show that it's actually joining so far. Very important, show that it's actually loading. Alright, if you notice you're using this thing for the first time, if you notice up here, so right, to use the mic, just push here to allow, right, and then you can come right to and dismiss, and come back here and you press allow. Very important right there. And if you notice right here, you sure that I can actually add others to right here. I can copy this meet link. You notice right away, show me right here up here. So I can come right here, I can start the video. I can come right here, so I can actually start the audio like that. If I come like this, I click back the video actually open. You notice actually waving. Can come like that, right? Right, and this is for the audio. So you can close that. Right, if you notice this itself, you can present. If you click like that, you know, so you can share the one entire screen, or you can share just a window or a tab, right? So if you're sharing video, this will be the correct one for you to actually do, right? If you click right here on the one entire window, notice it show the one entire window. So when you click it highlight and you click right here and click share, right? You go back again, you click on a window. If you notice more than one window inside here, right? You notice was a meeting control. Right, and I mean just you can select one of these windows and click right here and just the same. Right, and if I come back here and I click on this one, you notice, right, so you can click this one and click again. So if I open other stuff like YouTube or whatever, you can actually show it to you in this section here. And that's what you do it in the screen sharing right there, right? If you come right here, this little pointer right here, notice right here, you can actually display the whiteboard. So if I come right here, notice right here, display the whiteboard. Right, let me close this right over here. So come right here, say start whiteboard. I'm going to click it. Notice, click it. Alright, therefore we're going to generate the board right over here. You notice this is the board it actually generated. So definitely while you're actually in the meeting, you can actually do a screen sharing and do a demonstration on the board. Alright, so this right here show you the pen right here, and this is rubber mouse. And right here, you can show right here, so show you sticky pad. You can insert photo right here. And right here, you can draw a circle, right? If I click on the pen, if you have a mouse, go along the left side of the mouse, if touchpad, right? You notice I'm actually writing on it. Good, I want to rub it out. I just click on this and come like that. Try to rub it back it. Alright, rub it out just like that. Alright, when I finish now, you can come like this and put a sticky note. You notice the sticky note right here? If you come right here and click, you can actually change the color. Just like that. Change the color. Just like that. I'm going to write something by clicking inside here. You can say, welcome to Google right here. Whiteboard. Board. Right? When I finish, I can come right here and press save. Can come right and press cancel. But if you notice right here, you show the board. If I click on it, show that I can put the cursor here along the side and drag it like that. If I come right here the side, you see the full look arrow here, I can increase it just the same. If I put it right up here, I can actually rotate it just like that. And if I come right here and click it, show that I can edit it, show that I can duplicate it, I can delete it. If I duplicate it, this is it actually going to look like. Just like that. Right? Yes, so we can actually carry it down. Right, just coming like that. Just the same. We can actually do the same thing for this one. We can actually carry it down. We can actually use this for the edit. Now we finish that. Now we're going to insert a photo. When you come like that, you notice this where you can upload photo. You can find camera, Google search right here. So I'm going to try and upload one by browsing. So we're actually browsing. This is going to take me directly to my desktop. Right, so I'm going to try one of these. I'm going to send open. Right, you notice the show that's actually loading so far. Right, if you notice right here, this is the photo. You can actually move it, and let's say right here, you can come right this and decrease it. If I click on the tree, look at that right here, show that I can actually duplicate it. I can delete, but if you show right here, just the order, show that I can send to back and all that. So very important here with this, if I put it right up here, so you notice it's actually over it. So if I come right here, as example, show you to send to back, right? Send to back. If I come like that, you notice you got right over the back. And also I can also take it back from it. I can actually put it, you know that? See that? Very unique. Right? I want to put that circle. I can just come like that. Click and I put the circle just like that. I notice the circle. Right here, I can increase it. But if you notice, I put it right there, circle pointer here. I can actually do the same thing with the circle and all of that. But if you notice, when I click on the circle up here, you notice it's looking like a bucket and like a pencil. If I click on it, like a bucket right here. And I click right here. You notice inside of the circle color change. But if I come right here, so upon the pencil, right, and I click like that. You notice round the color the shape change. Alright. Notice round the color change. Alright, now we understand that. Now we're going to add some text. This is text box. So if I come like that, just click. I just can say greetings. Just like that, and I can come like that. And if I come like this, you notice, if I come right here, look at that here. Sure, I can edit, I can duplicate it, delete it, I can add a center box, just the same, I can rotate it. I can also move it up and down and put it right where I want it. And put it on the photo just like that. And click. I can do just the same. So that's exactly how the whiteboard works. When you finish, I can actually come right there and save it just like that. So if you go, when you go back right here, you notice it's a chain layout. When you click like that now, show you auto. You notice different type of layout we have right here. And all that, if you click on that, you notice it actually change. And all that, so put the auto for the time being. They're very important. Right there. And then if you want to look at right here, full screen, click. That's it on full screen. You can actually switch the camera right here. You can apply the visual effect with it. You can turn on caption, right? If I click to turn on caption, notice I say if it's in English right there, right? You notice it take right up here that is just audio, video, and all that. Or if I click right at it, look up right here, any language at all, whatever I can put it, and it's up to you. Very important, right there. I just show that you can put abuse settings and all of that. So now look at that. Now notice if you come right here, so now this is meeting details. So if I click it right here, you notice show that I can copy the info from right here and all of that. And this is the whiteboard that I just created. I can actually click here. If I click right here, and it look at here. If you notice it show that is only me alone in the meeting. If I click on this, it show that I can actually pin it right here, so that I can unmute my mic right here. So show that I can mute, all mute, can mute everybody. Right here, you notice the host control. If I click right here, and this head right here, notice you bring up this, that I can add email, you notice, person come up same time. If I click right here upon that particular person, notice right here, says send email. I click right here, there you go, you notice right there's the invitation send right here, very important. So close that one. I'm going to look at the chat right here, which is right next to here. When I click right here on the chat, you notice it's actually open up this window right here. So let everyone send message, right? By clicking this now, I can actually take off that, don't leave me alone, right? And if I come right here, so I can click and type. I can say greetings, just the same, and then I can just come like that and send off, and everybody in the group will actually get it and all that. So you come right here and you close it. But if you notice this little section here, it has to do with activity, right? You know that the whiteboard right here is actually active. But if you notice right here, it shows you the host control. So it brings us some stuff that the host can actually manage from this particular angle. You can share in full screen right here. Right, they can send chat message and all that. It's very important right here. And what we can do. Very important. So let's close it right here. So now we understand clearly how we can actually see it. If you notice, this is the photo. Now, so what I show you. But what if you want to sign out? Right? Back any meeting, you can come right here and click it, say leave meeting. If you notice right here, say just leave the call or any call for all. So if you click on this one and you're the host, you're going to assign somebody else. But if it's you, the host, I click this, you click that, and that's exactly take it right onto this section. You know, this is a submit feedback. Right, just a click and return. And when I click and return to screen, right, what happened? It take me directly back to exactly where I start. They're very important. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. So remember to share it. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.